How to add affiliate links on YouTube Shorts. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how you can add affiliate links on YouTube Shorts. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you have to head over to your studio.youtube.com or on your channel dashboard and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred channel. From here, go to upload videos option. Click on select file, then you have to select your short video that you want to upload where you want to add your affiliate link on. So once you select your file, wait for a while until the video gets uploaded here. Now what you can do is, if you have any affiliate link that you want to add on your short video, you could add that link under your description. So navigate to this description box here. If you already have your affiliate link copied, all you have to do is paste your link right under the description, and you could also describe more about the link under the description. After that, head towards the uploading process. Click on next. You'll be taken into video element section, then under the checks procedure, then under the visibility, and once you upload your shorts on your account, the affiliate link will be available on your video's description. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.